Pagi cik, ada terus pergi Songkhla tak?
Songkhla ni hanya batasan.
Oh.
Batasan Songkhla.
Okey okey. Hi, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am taking you on a cross-border trip from VM to Hat Yai, then to Songkhla. And here's the twist, I am doing by train, then the shuttle van. After finishing your trip in Penang, Malaysia, you also have the option to continue your journey into Thailand if you prefer not to stay longer in Malaysia. So here is the way to buy the ticket. You can buy via the app, but I am actually traveling alone, so I will be using the machines in the station to buy the ticket. So after you got the ticket, you can always enter the train station. Just a heads up, there's no reserved seating, just pick any available seat. So after approximately 1.5 hour journey, so we arrive in Padang Besar. When you exit the station, look to your left, and there's one long pedestrian bridge. You have to walk approximately 5 minutes in order to reach the Malaysian border. If you are not sure, you can definitely follow the crowd. It's pretty easy going immigration officer, so it just took me about 2 minutes for the clearance. After the clearance, you just need to walk about 5 minutes, then you will reach the Thai border. Okay, here we go. Finally, we are in Thai. Let's walk across the street. There's one small store selling the ticket from Thai Padang Besar to Hat Yai. Pagi cik, ada terus pergi Songkhla tak?
Songkhla ni hanya batasan.
Oh.
Batasan Songkhla.
Okay okay. Yeah. Song. Yeah, Song. Okay. Apparently, there's no direct bus to the place I wanted to go, so I will make a stop at Hat Yai, which is a major transportation hub in southern Thailand.
Đây. Ok, cột máy.
Arrive in Terminal Hat Yai. Let's look for the counter which sells the ticket to Songkhla. So here is the place to buy the ticket to Songkhla. The journey took about an hour. Remember to tell the driver to drop you at the clock tower, cause it is the center of the town. If you're ever in Songkhla, you gotta check out the local night market. It's the perfect spot to grab some of the delicious street food and pick up unique souvenir and just soak into the vibe of the town after the dark. So whether you're into grilled skewer, fresh food or sweet treats, there's some things for everyone.
10 บาทเลยนะจ๊ะ
Okay, here's something you might not expect. That's a unique insect snack you can try here in the night market.
อันนี้ก็เรียก FC ว่าบ้านนี้ป่า
At the end of the street, there is a jetty. It's the perfect place to take in the view of the water to watch the sunset.